Okay, when you first see this question, it looks a little bit daunting, but it's just again different ways that we can indicate vectors. So the first one says, I want you to change this geometric, and so the geometric part is this, okay, because it's drawn, and I want you to translate those two vectors into an algebraic vector. And then the second one, they've given us algebraic vector, and they want us then to translate it into a geometric one. So it's actually a lot easier than what it appears, and this is how we do it. Okay, so the first question, there's two vectors there. We're not after the resultant. We're not after that at all. We are actually after just to write them in the form. So I'm going to assign, and it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to call this one U, and I'm going to call this one V. And the way we do this is we're defining it with I's and with J's. The I's represent the X coordinate, and the J's represent the Y coordinates. So if I look at U first, this coordinate, notice it starts at 0, 0, and the vector then stops at this point. So it's stopping at -3, -1. So the -3 represents the I portion. So I literally go -3, the I with a little hat. And the Y is J's, so that's -1J with the hat. You don't have to actually put the 1 there. You actually could get away with just putting -J. The same thing is true for V. I can do it that way as well. Again, I find its point, and then I transfer, instead of doing -3, like I did here, -3I, okay, because I'm getting it from here, which is X is -3, I change the X to an I. So same kind of thing here. I'm going to leave this one so that you can try it. Now, the same is true, the opposite is for the geometric. So when I'm looking at the geometric, what's different about it is it tells me that this is 3x minus 5y. So actually, in a sense, it's like that. So my coordinate is 3, -5. So 3, -5. Okay, so that point there is 3, -5. And because I'm drawing, my tail is at 0, 0, and my head, in other words, the arrow portion, stops at the point 3, -5. So that's taking the algebraic model and turning it into a geometric model for the vector. Okay, so hopefully you can do the next one.